Now, 2010, towards the end, I got my report and I passed very well because I was quite bright. I passed very well. Then 2011, going to grade 11 now. I'm going to grade 11. Now, during the progress of 2010, I was starting to play soccer. I was starting to play soccer at my grandmother's place, just around that side. Then 2011, I was falling in love with playing soccer. That's when I started watching PSL, Barcelona. So I had these big dreams that one day I might be a soccer player. So 2011. I sat down with my parents and they told me that I can do better than what I did the previous year when it comes to my studies. I can do better than that. And we agreed, and then they reassured me, or they reminded me that I should forget about being a DJ at all. And then we had a deal. We had a deal at that time. Keep in mind, 2011, I'm still staying in a shack. Now, 2011, I went to grade 11. Now, maturity is starting now. I would say slowly, I'm starting to mature. 2011, I'm focused on my books. Now, here's the thing. Currently, right now, I'm a shareholder of my company, which is called Mutlane Traders. Right? I'm a shareholder. That company, Mutlane Traders, started in 2011. Now, what I'm trying to say, your dreams don't just start today. The dreams that you might have started a long time ago, So Mutlane Traders started in 2011. So 2011, I was with this guy. He's quite intelligent. Those intelligent guys in school. They don't talk to anybody. They are not open about anything. They are not interested in dating. They are always on their books. So luckily, I was able to connect with that guy. So this guy, he was always filling in ideas in my head. Let's do this type of business. Let's do this, So that's how Mutlane Traders started. I only made it a reality in 2017. It started in 2011 and I only made it a reality in 2017. Yes. Because, now, during the course of grade 11 in 2011, I was playing soccer. So at the soccer, when I was playing soccer, I was scoring goals constantly, And whenever I would touch the ball, girls will scream like, "Coach, coach." So that's how the coach name started. It actually started when I was playing soccer, just around 2011, just somewhere around there, So it started there. They started calling me coach. So many people think that I'm coach now because of Forex. Let me reassure you, Forex is something that I started just a few years back. It was never part of my life. I didn't know anything about trading. Let's just understand. So that's why I'm telling you guys this lifetime story so that you can understand. Ne? Sharp. So around that time when I was playing soccer, they started calling me coach. One thing led to another. I was coach, right? Now, 2011, I started bonding. I started bonding with this beautiful lady whom I was studying with. I started bonding with her. Bonding is very, very dangerous. Like spending time with a female is very, very dangerous because you end up developing feelings for one another without being aware. Now I started bonding with her. We were studying together, helping each other with assignments and so forth. It was nice, Life went on in 2011. I was still staying in a shack. Come year end 2011, I passed my grade 11 again very nicely. alongside my best friend. He has always been there. Now, 2012, I was still staying in a shack now. 2012, I was doing my Matric, and my parents asked me, what is it that I want to become? You know? And honestly speaking, I just chose commercial stream because it was less difficult compared to how people were comparing it with the science stream. I didn't really know what I wanted to become. So I sat down with my parents and they helped me choose a career, and I saw a couple of careers: economists, accountants, and so forth. So every time I would be interested in a career, I would actually Google the salary scale. I was more interested in the salary scale, not the process of getting to wherever that I needed to. Yeah, you understand. So 2012 Matric now. Now I'm doing Matric. You know what? I'm still a virgin, by the way, but at least I've kissed a girl before. I know how it feels like. Now I'm maturing slowly. And my parents asked me to stop playing soccer. They asked me to stop playing soccer because soccer was taking most of my time. Like during the progress of 2011, I was always at the field and all that. So they asked me to stop playing soccer, and I did. And during March, I applied for TUT. I actually didn't bother applying to UJ, VET, or anything because the way I was thinking about those varsities, they were meant for intelligent people. That's the idea that I had. And then TUT is meant for everyone. You know how people feel about TUT, like everyone can get in TUT. So I applied for TUT, and yeah. So early 2012, the girl that I was bonding with the previous year, I started falling in love with her, right? Now my fear was that, what if the feeling is not mutual? Now I want you guys to understand something. In order for a person to be successful, sometimes there needs to be something that drives the person beyond their limits. You understand? So the reason why I'm concentrating more of how my love life was is because relationships, they are the reason why I'm here today. I got successful because I wanted to get back at some people, because they've proven it to me that I'm nothing. So I wanted success so bad that I would literally do each and anything which is possible. I would do it, So that's why I'm focusing more on that. School, it played a role, yes, but it has nothing to do with how I got to make it. Maybe I would take school as a platform whereby you meet your future business partners and so forth. But school never really played a huge role when it comes to my success. Relationships did. Now, the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because I want you guys to understand. The one thing that hurts you the most sometimes is the only thing that you need for you to push beyond your limits. Because if you're comfortable, you can't push beyond certain limits. I don't know if I'm making sense. That's why the chess boys, they never really make it on their own because they are always comfortable. But the more you get hurt, is the more you have a reason to get out of poverty. I don't understand a person who gives up in life, yet still they are inside poverty. Poverty should be the reason why you want to get out of poverty. You understand? So yeah. So now my key point in success, basically, it was relationships. So that's why I'm focusing more on that. So don't misinterpret my story. Your English. Yeah.